Assalamualaikum students, class 5 maths unit 3 fraction 5a book month of April week 2. Number 22 exercise number 1. Complete this exercise with the help of this video. Assalamualaikum students, it's class 5 page number 22 exercise number 1. In this exercise we have to write on the less than, greater than and is equal to sign between each pair of fractions. It is a sign of less than, it's greater than and it's is equal to. Remember to change them to equivalent fraction. Now we have a number 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 7. Firstly we will take the LCM of denominators, that is 2 and 7. LCM means least common multiple, and we know that 14 is the LCM of 2 and 7. 7 times 2 is 14 and 2 times 7 is 14. Means 14 is the LCM of 2 and 7. Now we will multiply numerator with the same number. If we will multiply 2 by 7, then we will multiply 1 by 7. 2 7s are 14 and 1 7 is 7. Now 7 2s are 14. That's why we will multiply the numerator by 2. 7 2s are 14 and 3 2s are 6. Now we can see that 7 is greater than 6. That's why whole fraction means 7 upon 14 is greater than 6 upon 14. Now complete this exercise with the help of this video. It's page number 22, exercise number 2. Complete this exercise with the help of this video. Okay students, it's page number 22, exercise number 2. In this exercise we have to find the common denominators for these fractions and write them in order starting with the smallest. Then write the original fraction in order. Okay, now firstly we will take the LCM of the denominators, means 6, 3, 12 and 4. We will take the LCM of 6, 3, 12 and 4, and we know that 12 is the LCM of 6, 3, 12, 4, means 12 is the multiple of these all numbers. 6 2s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 12 1s are 12 and 4 3s are 12. Means 12 is a common multiple of these denominators. Now we can see that 2 times 6 is 12, that's why we will multiply the numerator, means 5 by 2, same number. 3 multiply 4 is 12, that's why we will multiply 1 by 4. 12 multiply 1 is 12, that's why we will multiply 5 by 1. 4 multiply 3 is 12, that's why we will multiply 3 by 3. 6 2s are 12, 5 2s are 10, 3 4s are 12, 1 4s are 4, 12 1s are 12 and 5 1s are 5. 4 3s are 12 and 3 3s are 9. Now we will arrange them starting with the smallest with the original form. We can see that 4 upon 12 is less than the other, 4 upon 12. And the original form for 4 upon 12 is 1 upon 3. Means firstly we will write down 1 upon 3. Then next is 5 upon 12. And the original form of 5 upon 12 is 5 upon 12. And next 9 upon 12, and the original form for 9 upon 12 is 3 upon 4, and in the last 12, 10 upon 12 is bigger than other. That's why we will write down the original form of 10 upon 12, that is 5 upon 6. 1 upon 3 less than 5 upon 12, 5 upon 12 less than 3 upon 4, and 3 upon 4 is less than 5 upon 6. Now complete this exercise with the help of this video. This page number 24, exercise number 1. This video will help you to complete this exercise. Okay students, it's page number 24, exercise number 1. In this exercise we will add the fractions. Find the common denominators for the fraction and each addition write the answer in their simplest form. And we know the simplest form is the form when the numerator and denominator are not don't have the same factor. Now we have a number 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 4. First we will take the LCM of denominator, that is 8 and 4, and the LCM of 8 and 4 is 8. Means 8 multiply 1 is 8 and 4 multiply 2 is 8. Now we will multiply numerator with the same number, 8 multiply 1 and 1 multiply 1. 4 multiply 2, that's why we will multiply 1 by 2. 8 1s are 8, 1 1s are 1, 4 2s 8 and 1 2s are 2. Now we will add the numerator. When denominator same, then we can add the numerator. That's 2 plus 1 is 3, and 3 upon 8 is the simplest form of fraction. That's why 3 upon 8 is the answer. Now complete this exercise with the help of this video. Page number 25, exercise number 2 and 3 both are same, and this video will help you to complete this exercise. Okay students, it's page number 25, exercise number 3. In this exercise we will find the common denominators and add these mixed fraction. We know that 1 whole number 4 upon 9 and 5 whole number 1 upon 3 are the mixed fraction. Now first we will take the LCM of denominators. 9 and 3 are the denominators, and the LCM of 9 and 3 is 9, because 9 is the multiple of 9 and 9 is also the multiple of 3. 1 times 9 is 9 and 3 times 3 is 9. Now we will multiply the numerator with the same number, 9 multiply 1 and 4 multiply 1. Now 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9 and 1 3s are 3. 3 3s are 9, 1 3s are 3. Now we will multiply the whole numerator with the same number. 9 ones are 9, 4 ones are 4, 3 3s are 9, 1 3s are 3. Means 1 whole number 4 upon 9 plus 5 whole number 3 upon 9. Now we can see that denominator the same. Now we will add numerator and whole number. Whole number is 1 and 5, that's why 5 plus 1 is 6, and numerator 4 plus 3 7. Means 1 whole number 4 upon 9 plus 5 whole number 3 upon 9 is equal to 6 whole number 7 upon 9. 5 plus 1 6, 4 plus 3 is 7. Means 6 whole number 7 upon 9 is the answer. Now complete this exercise with the help of this video. Okay students, it's page number 25, exercise number 4. In this exercise we have weights and we have to add them, and same method will follow like question number 3. We have 2 whole number 1 upon 10 kg plus 7 whole number 1 upon 4 kg. First we will take the LCM of 10 and 4, that is 20, because 2 times 10 is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20, and 20 is the LCM, means least common multiple of 10 and 4. Now we can see that 2 times 10 is 20, that's why we will multiply numerator with the same number. 10 2s are 20 and 1 2s are 2. Now 4 5s are 20, then we will multiply numerator with the same number. 1 5s are 5. Now denominator are same, that's why we will add numerator and whole numbers. Whole number will plus in whole number, and numerator will add in numerator. 2 plus 7 is 9 and 2 plus 5 is 7. Means 9 whole number 7 upon 20 kg is the answer. And it is the second example, part D. 1 upon 5 whole number 1 upon 10 and 2 whole number 1 upon 5. Now we will take the LCM of 10 and 5, that is 10. 10 is the common multiple of 10 and 5. 1 times 10 is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. Now we will multiply numerator with the same number. 10 ones are 10, 1 ones are 1, 5 2s are 10, 1 2s are 2. Now we will add numerator and whole numbers. Whole number will add in whole number and numerator will add in whole numerator. 5 plus 2 is 7, 1 plus 2 is 3. 7 whole number 3 upon 10 is the answer. Now complete this exercise with the help of this video. Allah Hafiz.